Okay, this is Debbie Reed. Debbie's been a patient in our office for going on 12 years, I think, in August. So, Deb, if you would just tell us some of the things you've had, issues that you've had with your health prior to starting regular chiropractic care.
I was on antibiotics. I was always sick, got colds every year. Since I've been getting regular chiropractic care, I've not had an antibiotic in over 10 years, except for an incident with a dental.
Mm-hmm.
That's for precaution.
Yeah.
Other than that, I have not had an antibiotic.
So every year, at least once a year, you had to go on antibiotics?
Yeah, sometimes twice a year because I couldn't get over the cold or the flu or whatever it was that you had from stress, all the things that happened to you.
Okay. And then you also had some gut issues, some digestive issues.
Big time. I had a gallbladder removed, and so I always had problems with irritable bowel syndrome, and that was my main concern whenever I went anywhere, was what I was going to have to eat and stuff because I would pay for it. And I have not had that problem for truly the last 10 years of my life. It took about 2 years for it to get under control with chiropractic adjustments 2 and 3 times a week. Mm-hmm. For the first 2 years.
Now, do I recall correctly, you also took some supplements, but way back when too, for that. Didn't we give you some things to help with that?
I took some stuff from Standard Processing.
The Colocol?
Yes.
Yeah, you took that, right? Because you don't have your gallbladder.
Correct. And I did a cleansing so that my body got rid of the toxins, and it was truly neat.
Well, I mean, you know, how most people think of chiropractors for like when your neck or back hurts. How would you explain to somebody, like, what's that? Why would I go to a chiropractor for?
Yeah, I didn't know that there was a difference. I thought it was just for back or neck pain, until I seen the difference in what it did for just me. Also, my husband had migraine headaches, horrible, to where he would throw up. Mm-hmm. He doesn't have those no more because of chiropractic adjustments. Mm-hmm. So between the migraine headaches and between the problems with my stomach and the guts and the immune system alone has made a big difference. So chiropractic is not just for pain relief. That, I think, is a bonus. I think the real joy behind chiropractic is how it makes you feel better. Right. More energy. You can deal with stress. I believe I didn't have to have any kind of antidepressants when I lost my mom and my mother-in-law within just a few years.
Mm-hmm. And you went through some real stress.
I did. I went through a lot of stress because of 4 kids in one family, 8 kids, and there's a lot of stress with the death of a parent. And I didn't go back to the old ways with my stomach or fever blisters breaking out. I believe that it truly helped me.
Now, we've also, your grandchildren have been in the office, so what would be the benefit of someone having their grandchildren or even small children adjusted, looked at?
I believe it helps their immune system, especially ones that are not getting nursed from their mothers, because that makes a big difference. I feel that it helps them, because they've had it from birth. I think that it helps them crawl better, walk better. Kids take a lot of bumps. Mm-hmm. And a lot of injuries that you don't even see. And I think that I've seen how many times their little bodies are out when the doctor's adjusting them, and it makes a big difference in how they walk, for their feet turning in. And let's see, 7 grandkids from one stepdaughter that brought her children to chiropractic, and now my daughter has 3 boys that she does in New York, and my son with his 2.
Terrific.
So. And it did help my one grandson with his asthma.
Yeah, right, we did. We see a big
He
improvement with that, didn't we?
Could not live without his asthma. I mean, this was connected to him just like his glasses.
Yeah, that's terrific, yeah.
It was awesome.
Yeah. Okay, well, thanks, Deb. I appreciate your taking the time to share your story. Thank you.